Well, hello everyone. It's your girl Karaleise. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? So let's say that you have this spreadsheet and you have a couple rows that is hidden. So as you can see here, between row 1980 right here and the next row right here is 1992. So there's a couple rows that's missing in between here. And really what's happened is the row has been hidden. So we are in Excel and we want to be able to show the rows here. So how would you do this really quickly? You will just highlight the rows, right? So the two of them between 1980 and 1992 row. And then if you're on a PC, you can right click and then you'll have the option to unhide. So just need to click on this unhide right here. And there you go. Now you can see it, right? So again, if you had some rows hidden, so I'm just going to hide some rows up here. If you want to hide them, you can select the rows that you want to hide. You could right click and then you'd have the option here that says hide on hide. You click on hide and all of those rows would be hidden. And normally you see this darker line to represent that there are some missing rows there. And if you wanted to show those rows again, then you just highlight them. You right click if you're using a Windows machine, and then you'll go to unhide, and that will reveal them. If you're on a Mac, you can just hold the control button and click, and that will show the same menu. All right, so that was how you hide, unhide rows in Excel. Hope this was helpful. Check out my other videos, and I will see you next time.